Hi guys, it's Miss Brown. I just wanted to show you guys your schedule for next week. It's a new schedule and there are some new expectations that are put out by the district, so we're all going to have to adjust. Um, the short version is that the expectation is that you guys are online on your computer attending classes through Zoom Monday through Friday from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. So this is your specific schedule. So this, you have to go to the Respect Academy website every single day before 1 o'clock. Maybe I would try to log on at 12:30 so that you can look at your schedule for the day. On Monday, you're going to start with ELA, and you will be able to click this to access the Zoom class. So on Monday at 1 p.m., you're going to click right here where it says in green ELA LaFond. You're going to click that, and that's going to bring you to Miss LaFond's Zoom class. And then you get to have me on Monday at 1:50 to 2:35. So I'm looking forward to seeing you then. I'm already created the lesson. You'll have to log on to Google Classroom while we're Zooming, and it's going to be just like class. It will probably be about 30 to 40 minutes. It might not be the whole 45 minutes depending on how well we work, okay? And then you have science, all right? You got a little break in between. And then Tuesday, you're going to have math. On Tuesday, 1:50 to 2:35, you have time to either finish up some of your classwork that you maybe weren't able to get finished. And then you end on Tuesday with gym, all right? Then on Wednesday, the schedule repeats itself. So you have 2 classes a week. So you have ELA again, then you have me again, and then you have a quick break, and you have science again with Miss Martin. And on Thursday, you have math, you have a flex block here, which means that you can work on some classwork that you need to finish, or you can meet with a teacher. We'll be available to meet during this time, so you'll just be able to click on our Zoom link or ask us to meet, and we can do that. And then you have gym again. Fridays, you guys will click on, you'll have advisory, so you can check in with me, or if you have Casado, you can check in with Casado, and we'll just do some fun games online. There's a 7th grade social, which will be like an assembly that we normally have. We'll give shout outs, we'll play fun games. And then from 3:15 to 4 on Friday is kind of your study block. We have to take attendance in Aspen, so we need to mark whether you are doing your work or not in Aspen, and that's going to determine whether or not you have to make up work over the summer. I don't want you to have to do that. You have 2 classes in each content a week from between the hours of 1 and 4. We're going to try to make it fun. We miss you guys, but we just wanted to make sure that, or I wanted to make sure that you are clear on this, all right? Office hours, if you need to talk to me about anything, I'll be available on Mondays at noon. I have to write my schedule. Miss LaFond is available on Tuesdays at 11:45. Miss Martin is available on Wednesdays at 11:45. Miss Brunel is available at Thursdays at 4. And then Friday, you can either check in with Mr. Buckley or you can have lunch with Miss Maddie, which would be nice too. It should be interesting. My kids will probably be awake sometime, so you will see me being a teacher and also a mother. We'll all adjust and get through this together. And I was a little bit worried about how structured the schedule was.